So you wanna improve your critical skills, right? But I'm gonna tell you the most basic stuff, okay? So you can literally gonna, like, if you are here, you can go here. Just pause this video. In just 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna tell you everything I know about critical skills. So I think this gonna like your first and last video, and after this video you will literally gonna learn everything about critical skills. So yeah, the first thing actually, ask lots of open-minded questions. So actually when you ask the question, your mind actually thinks, okay, more, and it's actually engage you with lots of new topics. So actually, just start. Actually, it's not actually about talk with the other people. You can just talk to yourself with ChatGPT, with AI, anything, okay? Just ask questions, okay, like why this happened, why this gonna happen, just anything, okay? Just anything, ask the questions, okay? Second thing, be questions and skeptical and with evaluating information. And I'm gonna explain you a healthy dose of skepticism can lead to be a more in-depth and analysis and better decision making. So just little bit get information, okay? And just use that information in about, okay? Just let inform yourself that I know about this topic, okay? And the third thing is actually understand the challenges your own basis, okay? Just make your opinion on that topic and just start analyzing, okay? Just use your opinion on that topic. That's the whole thing, okay? Fourth thing, engage in decisions with the peoples, okay? Just use your opinions to, okay, engage like what they are talking about. If they are literally it just affecting you, just talk about it, okay? The third thing, fifth thing, actually don't accept easy answers, okay? Just go deeper and just uncover all the truth about it, okay? The sixth thing, read and abroad error sources. So just go where you find the information about that topic. Just let your mind freely think about what you wanted to know about that topic, okay? Don't stop your mind, okay? This is not gonna happen. Just don't do this, okay? Seventh thing, take a break and allow your mind to process information and keep know yourself, okay? Just explain yourself the whole thing, okay? 8, write down your thoughts and reflections, okay? This is actually most important. 9 thing, observe your surrounding and learn to identify, okay? Just okay, it's just just observer, be observer. 10 thing, practice active listening. This is the last thing and the most important thing, okay? Just start listening more and just observing. You will gonna get a good result, okay? So thank you so much.